Dear students, welcome to my channel SM Physics Academy. Today I am going to start a new chapter for you, that is magnetic effect of electric current. This chapter including the property of current and one property of current actually, that is the magnetic effect. Magnetic effect of electric current. Effect of electric current. You have read already in your previous classes some property of current, that is heating effect and magnetic effect also. We just going through it, that is the current has the magnetic behavior and it was calculated by or evaluated by Oersted experiment, that is Oersted experiment, that is Oersted experiment. What it is? Oersted experiment. According to this experiment, if you are taking a wire, a current is passing through it, then we find a magnetic behavior by the current. Means if you are keeping a magnetic needle nearby, you find that will be displaced. That is the magnetic needle. When you just pass the current through a wire, you find that the magnetic needle will get deflected. Here it is key and here it is the cell or battery. When you pass a current, you find that it is creating a magnetic field. Now here you are getting a new term, that is magnetic field. What is the magnetic field? Magnetic field intensity basically we have to calculate, and this is denoted by B, and this is calculated by the rule, that is Biot-Savart rule. We know that nearby any magnet, when we keep another magnet, we find that the force acting between the magnet, this way we say that there is a property which deflect or affect the other magnet. This property we are finding, suppose we are having a magnet supposed to be, and here it is North Pole, another magnet we are bringing near to it, we find that there will be a force acting between them. Just like a Coulombian force, the force will be mu0/4 pi m1 m2 over r square, where r is the distance between the pole and m1 and m2 is the pole strength. m1 m2 is the pole strength and r is the distance between the pole. Then we find the force acting between them. This force may be attractive or may be repulsive. It depends upon the nature of pole. Means same pole, if you are keeping near, there will be a repulsive force, while you are keeping a different pole nature, then you find that there will be an attractive force. Now what is the magnetic field? Just I have told you, in electric field, same here in magnetic field. That's a space around any pole, magnetic pole or magnet, where any other magnetic material experience a magnetic force. We call it magnetic field. How we calculate? We calculate by the rule, as well as how we observe. That is, we can take one experiment, one activity. In your previous class you have done this also. You take a wire you put a paper and you just sprinkle iron dust over it, and when you pass a current through it, you find that the iron dust will be rearranged around the wire in a concentric circle form, and this concentric circle will show the magnetic field of the current passing through the wire which is threading the paper. This way you will observe the magnetic field, but the magnetic field strength we calculate with the help of Biot-Savart rule. Let's see what is Biot-Savart rule. Biot-Savart rule. According to this rule, we take a wire, suppose a current is passing through it. We consider a small part of this current carrying wire, and due to this we are calculating magnetic field at point P supposed to be, and this distance from here it is supposed to R. The angle of the current element is theta supposed to be. Let a wire segment A, B, from we take a AC because we will take a magnetic field by B terms, so we are getting a wire segment AC, current passing through it is through the wire is I. We take a small part of wire, a small part of current carrying wire, that we call it ideal, or we call it current element. The point P located at R distance from the current element with the angle theta where we have to calculate magnetic field. Intensity. Now, according to Biot-Savart rule, magnetic field intensity at this point is directly proportional to current element. Magnetic field intensity is inversely proportional to 1 upon R square. Magnetic field is directly proportional to sine theta. We combine all this. We find that dV is proportional to ideal sine theta over R square. My dear, proportionality we remove, we get here the term that is mu 0 over 4 pi ideal sine theta over R square. This is the magnetic field intensity value at this point. Now we see that the value of magnetic field depends upon the R. Means if R increases, B decreases, current increases, B increases, theta depends like sin theta value. All these factors are combining or accumulating, we calculate the intensity value. Now what will be the direction? Here the magnetic field intensity, that is a vector quantity, so we calculate in the vector form also, and that will be dV proportional to mu 0 over 4 pi I dl cross r. We do not take here that r, here it will be let wait please. That is vector form of, I am going to discuss you vector form of magnetic field. And this will be dV proportional is equal to mu 0 over 4 pi I cross dl over r square to unit vector r. Here we will get mu 0 over 4 pi I dl. We consider here not a single, but will be I dl cross r over r cube, and this is calculated. Now what will be the direction of magnetic field? Magnetic field direction is found with the help of right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule. Thumb rule or Maxwell screw rule. If we stretch our hand and thumb in the direction of current of your right hand, now tilted finger will represent the direction of magnetic field. Here it is current direction and magnetic field will be this way. Here it is cross and here it will be dot. Cross showing the magnetic field perpendicular to board downward, perpendicular to board inside. Here perpendicular to board, outside, perpendicular to board outside. Just like you just take right hand thumb rule. Our thumb is representing the direction of current, then the finger around it will represent the direction of magnetic field. This is all about your Biot-Savart rule. Rest I will discuss you in my next video. Please like and subscribe my channel SM Physics Academy, and write your comment in comment box. If any doubt you have, you can ask. Please click the bell icon for the further notification. Thank you.